Okay, this is asus tf300. Hey babe, would you point this light for me? It's a tf300t. No SIM card, anything like that, but battery's moved. There's the metal case. There's the monitor flipped over, pointing down, face down. Looks a little more familiar. Okay. I bricked it. Had another one. Got it rooted and everything, and it's working awesome. But niece dropped it. Screen's broke, so I was thinking about swapping this out with this good screen. And I came across this board, which is the main board as far as I know, since it says main board tf300t on it. Alright, here's the question. HDMI, which is normally right about there, center of the screen, on the side, center of my picture, on the left side down from the volume up and down. It comes around the top, there's a power button, pushes down. Alright, that's going up and around. See that little knob sticking out? See if I can get the light right. Hey, come point the light straight down on me, bud. Okay, never mind. I'll do it with the glasses. Right. Shit. Alright, here we go. That says SW6001, and engraved in the metal of that switch says dip. And on this side of the board, it actually says on off. Okay. There are no on-off switches that slide on this unit. There's a reset button down on the left, below HDMI, below the where you can put the micro card. But we've got an on-off switch, and I want to know what it is. If anybody has any ideas, please enlighten me. Even if it's a stupid question, I'd like to know the answer. Remember, this is my brick unit, so if I find out this has got some damn switch in there that'll help me get me a fix, like maybe on off for flashing or something, you know, that would be kind of handy to know. Thank you.